The U.S. Army just hosted its annual defense conference in Washington, D.C., where the importance of the U.S. Israel relationship was on full display. We visited the conference to learn more about cutting-edge Israeli defense technology. It's not just keeping Israelis safe, but also protecting our troops working around the clock to keep us safe. Every year, AIPAC works to increase defense cooperation between America and Israel because we know that it helps make both countries stronger, safer, and more prosperous. From defending against threats in the air, on the ground, and even underground, Israel is a global leader. We have seen many of these technologies in use since October 7th, but our conversations with Israeli defense companies Rafael and Israel Aerospace Industries show that there's much more that we don't see in the news.
My name is Gideon Weiss. I'm the Vice President for International Business Development at Rafael.
My name is Amir Geva. I'm the Executive Vice President of IAI, responsible for all the business activity of IAI in North America. This year in AUSA, we are presenting a story of what IAI is doing for the IDF. Since the day IAI was established 70 years ago, we are supporting and a cornerstone for the defense of Israel and supporting the IDF with all the challenges that is doing.
What we show here is the Tamir and Stunner interceptors. The Tamir is the famous Iron Dome, the Stunner is the famous David Sling. Phenomenal capabilities that were shown in combat very recently throughout the last year, and they are on the portfolio of products that we do here stateside, both with the Army as well as the Marine Corps. The Iron Dome system is comprised of sensors, radars, and others, command and control, communications, and a battle management system. So Iron Beam is actually a high-energy laser system that is capable and designed to follow, track, and then burn and blow out of the sky threats using just the energy laser. A major breakthrough and revolution in the ground maneuver defense is the Trophy Active Protection System. Trophy is an active protection system that's designed for a tank or for an APC, an armored protected carrier. It's like a miniature Iron Dome for a vehicle. It has sensors all around that cover the 360 and even above so that we can counter top attack. It is a groundbreaking capability that not only saved lives in Israel in the ground maneuver, but also made missions possible.
This year, what we unveil is Robotics Task Force. We got the permission from the government of Israel and from the IDF to unveil that based on the technology that we provide to the IDF during the conflict that is going on right now in the south part of Israel. This robotic task mission was carried by the IDF, concentrating on life-saving missions such as opening paths, countering IEDs, advanced guard mission. Those are technologies that were developed for the program Carmel, which is the next generation combat vehicle for the IDF. Those cutting-edge technology that's saving life, meaning letting robotics tools carry missions which are high risk for soldiers be done by robotics, and with the permission of the Israel government, able to share with our partners here in the US, with the OEMs, the American OEMs, that eventually will be available to the US troops as well.
We have a lot of support and partnership with Lockheed Martin, with the US DoD, to be able to develop this in Israel and then get the support from the US to manufacture this at mass so that it can be integrated and help protect Israel, and then also help protect the US forces. In fact, these interceptors are now in the process of having a factory built in Camden, Arkansas, to be built 100% stateside. That would serve both US and Israelis for both of our defense.
The United States is the best allies. We are encouraged by our government to share those technologies and capabilities with our allies, the OEMs, in the United States, and by that to provide those technologies and capabilities to the services in the United States.
What we do here over the last over 30 years is add significant value to the technology base and to the operational to support US security interests.